What's wrong with the board? It looks like our teacher is frozen. Should we let him out? We drew a lovely portrait of our teacher before class. It looks exactly like Mr. Sebastian, but the teacher doesn't like our work. His hair is completely different. He needs an eraser to get rid of this art, but there's a cute Olaf waiting for him. Trace a printed picture of Olaf on a piece of memory foam. Cut it out. Also cut an outline for Olaf out of foam paper. Draw a face and details in pencil. Color it with acrylic paint. Attach the piece to the soft base. Add foam paper hands and hair. Olaf is so adorable! He loves warm hugs and relieving stress. Mr. Sebastian forgets that he is angry at us right away. Olaf inspired our teacher. He has some matching gifts. These are pens with our favorite movie characters. Print frozen characters. Cut them out with some extra around the edges. Trace them on glittery foam paper. Cut out and glue together. Hot glue the characters to pen caps of matching colors. Attach the Olaf figurine to a cap with a spring. Decorate it with snowflakes. Mr. Sebastian keeps the Olaf pen. And the girls get Anna and Elsa. Of course, since they look just like them. Poor Rosie at the last desk doesn't get anything, but she will eat her sadness away with healthy veggies from her special lunchbox. Cover the lid of a lunchbox with black felt. Cut Sven's face out of felt and glue it on top. Define the outlines and details with a black marker. Cut horns out of glittery foam paper. Attach them. Make a tongue out of red felt and reverse sequined fabric. Hot glue it. Put carrots into the lunchbox. Sven saved the most delicious carrot for Rosie. Hey, who is crunching on something at the back of the room? It looks like someone ate too many carrots. Rosie didn't notice that she turned into an actual reindeer. Whoa! Sven, what did you do? How are we meant to focus now? Rosie has the reindeer blues. But the teacher knows how to solve this problem. Don't hide your true self, dear Rosie. Let it go. Here's a matching deer backpack for you. Cut different sizes of cones out of foam rubber. Hot glue them to Bendy hair curlers. Wrap the piece in brown velvet fabric. Bend it to shape a reindeer horn. Attach additional horns to the sides made out of matching pieces. Make 2 horns. Make cuts in a backpack. Hot glue in the reindeer horns. Happy Rosie puts on her horns and runs away. We wonder where? To the International Reindeer Convention in Arendelle? Good luck! Crunchy snow slime is a nice prank for the teacher. The perfect spot for it is inside a notebook. Put some baking soda and contact lens solution into white slime glue. Make white slime. Put artificial snow into it. The mixed slime looks like snowflakes. Add in glitter. Knead it well. Add a drop of blue food coloring to the slime. Mr. Sebastian finds a snowball in a notebook. Surprise! Who made a snowstorm in my notebook? It must have been you! Innocent students get punished instead of Cindy, but Mr. Sebastian calms down quickly. Squeezing crunchy snow slime is so relaxing. Hey, Cindy! I think you should confess that you made the snow slime. But Cindy coldly ignores her friend's request. Fine, I have a notebook that will make you forget about your frigid personality. Attach clear plastic to the cover of a white notebook. Color the plastic with thermal nail polish. Dry the polish using a special lamp according to the instructions. The polish gets lighter when you touch it. Mr. Sebastian is giving us a test. The right answers are in this notebook, but there is one problem. The moment you open it, fingerprints appear on the cover. The teacher figures out that Cindy has a notebook and is cheating. Don't cheat in class! But Cindy can take revenge. She has a snow globe with the stickiest snow in the world. Color wood pine trees with acrylic paint. Sprinkle them with glitter. Make it look like snow. Hot glue the trees to the back of a jar lid. Add snowflakes and put in beads. Make a hole at the bottom of a plastic jar using the tip of a hot glue gun. Attach a glue bottle tip. Decorate it with snowflakes. Pour clear glue into the jar. Add silver glitter and close the cap. There you go! Your notes are frozen! But my friend isn't happy. How could you do this, Cindy? You shouldn't use a snow globe to hurt someone. But Cindy can do something even cooler. She freezes a strand of her hair. Now you look exactly like Anna. Well, watch out! Let the snow fight begin! All the powers of nature are battling. The snowstorm will carry you away, Anna. But it doesn't look that dramatic in real life. Enough! Stop your snow battle! Rosie has a special stress-relieving pencil case that can keep the peace between anyone. Coat a pencil case with acrylic paint. Sprinkle it with glitter and secure with acrylic polish. Decorate with snowflakes. Add glitter to blue kinetic sand. Put the sand into the case. Add frozen Lego figurines. Whoa! There is soft snow sand inside! You can play with it together and stop arguing! The teacher is so fed up with these fights and toys! Oh, I think I dropped my anti-stress Arendelle notebook! Attach squares of double-sided foam tape inside a clear zip folder. Put in salt. Draw houses on the squares. Attach the folder to a notebook cover. Decorate the edges with a sequin ribbon. The girls are mesmerized by this snowy city view. This is so relaxing. All their conflicts vanish. We just want to watch the snow falling. It's finally recess. Phew! The teacher can also relax. All his school supplies go into a secure lantern stand. Outline a trapezoid on thick cardboard. Leave half-inch allowances at the sides and at the top. And an inch at the bottom. Cut it out with a utility knife. Leave half an inch allowance for gluing on one side. Score it and bend it. Cover the central hole with a layer of clear plastic. Make 4 identical pieces. Glue them together to shape a lantern. Attach a cardboard square to be a bottom. Also make a cut pyramid out of cardboard. Cut a hole for a string of lights on one side. Attach the power block of a battery-powered LED string lights to a square base. Place the pyramid on top and pass the lights through the hole. Put the lights into the lantern. Decorate the lid using a twig with berries. This school supply cup is relaxing. It will stay on until the next class starts. Did you like our relaxing school supplies inspired by Frozen? Then comment below what you'll bring to class. An Olaf eraser, a lunchbox with Sven, a snow globe with glue, or a pencil case with a snowy kingdom inside? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new fairy tale school supply ideas from Troom.